Patsick, and today we're going to do a science experiment. I have a couple little helpers here, Bentley, Dylan, and Aiden, that will be helping me do this experiment. So we're going to need a 2-liter bottle, a 1.5 cups of room temperature water, a funnel, Alka-Seltzer or any fizzing tablet, vegetable oil, and food coloring. So first, I'm going to ask a question. What do you boys think will happen if we add water and vegetable oil together?
I think it's gonna blow up, like.
You think it'll blow up? Okay, Dylan, what do you think?
I think it's going to slowly fizzle out.
Slowly fizzle out. Good job. And Aiden, what do you think?
What he said.
The same as Dylan? So those are some pretty good predictions. So let's see what happens. So Bentley, I'm going to hold the funnel. If you could slowly pour the water in for us. And as always, have an adult help you if you're doing science experiments at home.
I don't want it to blow up like it did, or because it started like going up a bit.
All right, so we've got our water in here. Next, we're going to add some food coloring. You can use the liquid. I prefer the little tablets. So Aiden, if you could help by adding some food coloring in there. Just gonna give it a little spin to help dissolve it.
I think that's enough spinning. It already dissolved it quite a bit. It turned a bit blue. Like the,
Here we go. Now it's getting
like the other can over there.
Yeah.
Pickle jar. It turned blue and then clear.
So now we have our blue water.
Because she tested it first.
And now we're going to add some vegetable oil and see what happens. Bubbled.
It's slowly going down. You guys can see it slowly starting to go down. Oh, wait, now it's going down like a volcano.
Okay. And you want to add quite a bit of vegetable oil.
So the experiment can go good. Well, basically as you need it of this video. I think that's enough. That's rising a bunch. It almost rises to the filter.
All right.
It has to be about.
So now we've got our
big.
vegetable
It
oil.
has to be about that much, I guess. Almost went to the actual thing.
We're going to let it set for a minute to see what happens. So what do you guys see?
The vegetable oil was like when you poured it, started to like lower the water down a bit.
I think the oil is going all the way down, and I think it's going to drain everything up.
Yeah.
And when you look, it's a bit. It's blue, but kind of looks a bit green too.
What do you see, Aiden? You gonna look a little closer?
Like the top kind of looks like a circle of glass.
Looks like glass and bubbles mixed together.
Doesn't it kind of look like glass on the side?
It does.
The side looks like circle
When
glass.
you look in the hole, it's actually blue. When you look in the hole
this.
and
But
it's
kinda
yellow,
looks
but
like-
it's blue there, and then it turns yellow, and then it turns light blue.
It's kind of like this, but darker here, and on the outsides, it's like dark blue.
So does it look like the oil and the water are mixing?
Yes, because
Yes.
if you look like right here, you can see there's like little bead bubbles. Kind of looks like beads of water. Yeah. Doesn't it?
All right, so now we've got our water and our vegetable oil, and we are going to see what happens when we add some Alka-Seltzer.
I hope it's gonna blow up like a volcano.
All right, so Dylan, I'm gonna let you add the Alka-Seltzer.
See, that's what happens when it crashes, Mommy.
Let me scoot this closer to you. All right, let's see what happens.
They're like Mentos this way. Nothing. Oh, I see some bubbles. Oh, it's rising like a volcano.
Whoa!
Kind of like snow. Right, Lord?
That is pretty cool, huh? What do you see? What's going on?
It's like floating like a volcano, but at the bottom's kind of like the bottom of a tornado.
Mom, it's
At the bottom
Mom,
of it,
it's
right?
like all that oil draining down.
Yeah. What about you, Aiden? What do you see happening?
Water, snow.
Snow?
He said water snow.
Water snow?
It smells like
I see
it
the...
smells like orange Fanta because this bottle. We used orange Fanta bottle, but we cleaned it all out.
I think we need a little bit
Can I
more,
put some
Mom?
more, Mom?
No, it's my job. Right, Mom? Want me to put all?
All right, so you can add some more, and while Dylan's adding more, if you would like to further this experiment, you could see what happens if you use extra virgin olive oil instead of vegetable oil. You could also see if the size of the bottle could potentially change the reaction. You could try different dissolving tablets such as denture cleaner or Mentos. What would happen if we put the lid on? Would the reaction still be the same? So those are just some different ways if you'd like to further the experiment. But as for now, this is our experiment, and I hope you enjoyed.